Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a good day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use with multiple documents at the same time. For this to work, you need to open several documents at the same time. So let's do that. I'm going to click on this one and for example, this one, and this one. So here we have three documents. Now, one of the ways that you can navigate through different documents is just by clicking on them from this ribbon. And right now I'm selecting the first one, and if you click on the second and the third, and this is one of the easiest way. And another thing that you can do is navigating through different documents by using shortcut keys. There are two shortcut keys that you can use. You can use the shortcut keys Control Tab to navigate through multiple documents from left to right, and you can use Control Shift Tab to navigate through different documents from right to left. So let's see how it works. You can just push the Control button and then hit Tab, and this is what it does. And now another one, and this is how it's done. And as you can see, I'm hitting Tab button multiple times, and you can see it is going from left to right. But if you hold down the Control and Shift button and then hit Tab, as you can see, it'll go from right to left. So here we go. So that's it for the shortcuts. So one other thing that you can do is to float the document that you're currently working on. For example, I'm going to float this document named envelope 04. And to float a document, you can just simply click and drag that document like this, and just leave the left mouse button. And here we have that document separately. You can put it back just the same as you did to float it. You can just put it right back there, as you can see. Okay, now it's back to where it was. And if you want to change the order of the documents, you can simply click and drag them, like what I'm doing right here, to change the order of documents. For example, you want the envelope 04 document to be in the first place, so you can just easily change its order and put it right here. Now, if you want to change how your documents are shown in Adobe Illustrator, you can change it over here. You can see this icon. It's Arrange Documents. So if you click on this down arrow key, you can see different options. For example, let's choose 3 up, and you can see it changed how it is shown in Adobe Illustrator. You can arrange it how you want, for example, like this, or I don't know, like this. Or let's see, like this one. So personally, I'm happy with this simple one, like this. So we're done with this lesson, and we'll continue in the next video, and have fun.